and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making lamb chops. This is going to be great because that's something I don't make that often. Excuse the noise in the background because I'm making some peach cobblers and they're in the oven and my oven is making that noise. But if you have not seen my peach cobbler videos, make sure you go out there and check those out. In the meantime, my name is Lavonne and this is my kitchen. And thank you to all of you who have been subscribers. We are almost reaching that 10,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate you guys for all of the videos that you comment on, for all the ideas that you give me for videos, and for liking my videos and sharing them. So continue to do that. For those of you who are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to get your copy of Lavonne's Kitchen, Learning to Cook with Love before the end of the year. Make sure that you are able to have all of these different recipes so that next year you're able to cook like a chef with all these easy recipes and all this information, okay? You can find the book on lavonskitchen.com, Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, at a bookstore near you. You can get it at Walmart. Just Google Lavonne's Kitchen and you'll find it, okay? So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get started and I'm gonna show you my ingredients. So for the main attraction is going to be our lamb chops. As you can see, they're very small. So you may want a few of them. And for seasoning, I'm gonna do something different. You know, I always like to do things my own way. So I'm gonna season them with a little bit of the onion soup, some garlic powder, a little bit of Creole seasoning, and some black pepper, okay? Then, after we season, we're gonna put them on our grill pan, all right? And we're going to boil them. So let's get started. So I've rinsed off my meat, and what I want to do, I've got a paper towel, and I just want to pat them dry, okay? Before we season them. Just want to pat each side. These are some little bitty ones. They don't have the little leg part that sticks out, but that's okay. They're so cute. Look at that. Okay. Get some of the water out of here. Some of this moisture out. And then I'm just gonna lay them out so that it'll be easy to season them all at the same time. And I am gonna season them on both sides. So I did say I'm gonna season them on both sides, but watch what I do. I'm gonna put my garlic powder on this side. I'll put my Creole seasoning on this side. If you notice, I do not have any salt. The Creole seasoning is salty enough. So then we're gonna put a little black pepper on this side. And now I'm gonna flip them over. And what I'm gonna do now is just put the onion soup mix on the other side. Let's shake that up because there's a lot of things in there. We want to make sure it's nice and mixed up. I'm only going to use a little bit of this, not the whole thing. Okay, and I want to press that into the meat. I'm gonna let that sit there for about 5 minutes. Okay, they've sat there for 5 minutes, and now I want to put them on our broiling pan. And I want the onion side up. And some people may ask, why did I put that onion soup on them? Because I want that onion flavor. Look at that. This is gonna be good. Now I'm gonna put these in the oven on broil. There it goes. So I've let them cook for 5 minutes, and now I flipped them. So our lamb chops are ready, and I'm going to go ahead and plate them now. And let's put a little green onion on them just for decoration. And there we go. I'm ready to taste them. One last thing, I'm gonna put a little butter on here, give it that nice buttery flavor. Oh yeah. It was already nice and juicy, but look at this. All right, I'm ready to taste these. Woo. You know, my green onions that I put on here are not just for the decoration. I love the taste of green onions, and it's gonna go complement the Lipton onion soup very well. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my God. You got the buttery taste to it. Yes. Oh, this is good. And I cooked mine medium well. So you can do it like a steak and cook it however well you want it. I did mine medium well. Oh yeah, this is good. And you don't need anything else on it. After I put that butter on there, you don't need nothing else on here. Oh my goodness. I gotta give me another piece. Hold on, y'all. It's so tender and it's juicy. Oh my goodness. This is good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating these. I'm gonna eat some potato salad with it. I'm gonna have my peach cobbler for dessert. You guys see my peach cobblers back there? I'm gonna have some peach cobbler for dessert. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.